Yo, what's happening, people? I know it's been a long time and I look a bit scruffy as well. I've got an issue with my car actually. The engine's misfiring, and according to a diagnostic report which my cousin did for me, it's cylinder 2 which is misfiring, and that could be a cause because of the spark plugs as well. So that's the thing we're going to do today, is change the spark plugs. So I got Sharif with me with the Mark III, and we're going to go collect it. So let's see what happens once we get them. So obviously we don't even know if the car's genuinely had a service when I bought it, so we're going to do a service today. Full. Yesterday we were showing that there was no oil in there.
Buy oil in it just in case.
I'm not gonna buy oil. Charles. Low. Cop some oil now as well. Charles, we was gonna do a full service. I don't know what's happening because shit's going on. So do what we can. Hopefully get the engine running the way it's supposed to. I've also fitted my sub. Just came out of Euro car parts. Got the spark plugs, the oil filter and some oil. So we're gonna get back to the block now, start stripping the car. Sorry guys, I wasn't able to film the whole thing because it got a bit complicated. But what happened in the end, I changed all the spark plugs. It never worked. So these were the old spark plugs, and you can see like they're burnt out. I changed all 4 of them, and the engine was still, or the cylinder was still misfiring. So they said the next thing that you should check is the coil injector. And it's a bit burnt out inside, but apparently these go faulty quite often, so that's what that was. And then thank God I fitted that in, and the engine's all running smooth now. Got the engine light on, but I can just cold that out, that's not a problem. That's it for today guys, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe and rate, and I'll catch you in the next one.